Oma pemandangan di Skotlandia. Kita mau jalan-jalan dulu. Asa moru mok merdalam majahita. Harry, wait, Harry. Let's go. You're clever. Oma pemandangan di hutaku di Skotlandia. Ayo Harry, cepat Harry, cepat. Di Scotland dia piadong do bayun. Ingat tamu dak do bayun. Ayo Harry. Baby, look, we can't leave him. He's not coming. Harry! Oi, Harry! But if a car's coming. Ito, tabatu hormat tanoi godang defe huida na kosong hubereng. Tang terulan on nito. Mulai son ni, mulai mangula do dangang boy pakai tangan ni ko pakai masid do. I'll give up with him.
He'll follow you as long as you keep going. If you stop, he'll stop.
I think so.
Yeah, he will follow. I can no doubt. Everything okay and kept up with his sister?
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
You seem to be talking a lot about booking.com.
Yeah, because booking.com is a nightmare. God knows where he is now. Harry! Oh, he's coming. So we put his his lead on because we're never gonna walk like this. Harry, because you've been very naughty, we got to put your lead on. Look, he's sniffing everywhere. We cannot wait for him all the time.
He stopped because we stopped.
Right, he got to have his lead on now then. He doesn't like it. That's because you're very naughty. Makanya jangan bandel. That doesn't look right, babe.